Yeah, okay, this one na lang. Sige. Hindi natin makikita though. Tada! You guys can see it, right? It's this one. Apparently it's this one. Hindi marunong mag-adjust na OBS. Oh my god. This one, right? This one? Your screen got revealed. Now you can't get married. Asan dito yung sinasabi niyo? Oh my god! Wait, what was that? What? What was that? Who was that? Wait. We need to marinig yung sound, diba? I don't have that sound audio. Oh my god! What the heck? Wait. Wait! Wait, is it... Okay, I'm not gonna get in trouble, right? I'm not gonna get in trouble, right? I'm not gonna get in trouble, right? Am I? She paused it. No, it's okay, it's just abs. It's just abs! What do you mean? You won't get in trouble by CEO image. You can add that to your image, boss. It's okay. Actually, one more time. There we go. Okay. Oh, full screen! Let's go. Full screen. Boss was my new Oshi. Oh, that's the video I sent. That's the video I sent to you, Virgil. I'm surprised. So that's what you used it for. Okay. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. The full screen makes it worse. The full screen just makes it worse. That's so cute too, yeah. Oh my god! I'm sorry, boss. Okay.